As I mentioned earlier, we are making this design to learn a theory. So, we don't need to design an app for this. Every output of this design we are making is displayed inside the console debug box. Therefore, we have nothing to do in this design part. Let's click on the code and start building the code. First, let's see what an array is. By now, we know about variables. Inside a program, to assign a value or store a value, we use a variable. In some cases, to assign a number of values belonging to the same data type in the same way, we need to create many variables. In this case, instead of creating many variables, we can create an array and assign values to each variable separately. Well, let's see how to create an array like this. Also, how to call the values in an array when needed. First, I create an array to assign some even numbers. For that, I click Variables and drag a var list code block here. Now you need to give a name to the array. I will remove the word list here and type list of even numbers instead. I can give the elements of the array or values to the right side of this equal sign as 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 5 values need to be given, but here there is space for only 3 values. Since 2 more values are needed, double-click on the arrow on the right side here and make the space for the remaining 2 values. Now, let's type the values in these places. I type as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, let's see how to display the values stored in this array. I click Variables again and drag the console.log code block like this. Let's remove the message here and give the name of the array as list of even numbers. Now, click the Run button. Here, inside the console debug box, the values stored in the array we created are displayed as 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now, click the Reset button again.